as you can see, I'm currently in Walt Disney World and I have a few friends who have something to tell you. See you soon!
Oh, that's a great idea. Hi, everybody. I'm having a great time here with all my pals. I sure do wish you were here, though. Goodbye now.
Hi there! Hope you're all having the best day ever! Bye! Hi, Shabaka! Can you say hi to my students? They're listening to me. Thank you!
Hi there, Princess Tiana here. I would love for y'all to come visit my restaurant sometime in New Orleans. We'll get you some beignets on the house. Bye, you.
Why, hello everyone. Oh, I do hope you'll come and visit me someday soon. You'd be more than welcome whenever you wish. Before midnight, of course.
You guys struggle to move here now. How old are they?
They're 6th grade, so 12, 11, 12.
Alright, very cool. So I didn't quite make it that far in school. I got abducted by aliens. But unless you get abducted by aliens, you should definitely stay in school, right? Yes, and don't write with wooden pencils. It's not a good idea. Maybe just plastic ones. Yeah. And awesome dance moves. You gotta make sure you have those too, right? These guys.
Hola, clase. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and I hope I see you in Avalor soon. And make sure that you have a wonderful time with your teacher. Gracias. Adios.
You're in there?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. To all of her students, don't listen to what she says, don't read, and drop out. And you'll be more like me. Is that good?
Yes, I met Gaston yesterday, and I asked him to say hi to my grade 6 students, and he told them to stop reading and to drop out of school. Of course he did! Is there something you could tell them to convince them? Absolutely. They're listening.
Bonjour everyone! Well, here's one thing that I must tell you. Reading is the most wonderful thing in the entire world and it makes your imagination so much bigger. So keep on reading, alright? And don't forget to pursue your dreams. Thank you very much!
You hear Tarzan. This is Tarzan. You should get mini bananas. Right, Jane?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bananas?
Yes.
Hi everyone, it's Anna! Ooh, Princess Airedale. I hear you guys are in a faraway kingdom, and I'd love for all of you to come visit me here in Airedale. I would give you all warm hugs, and we could build lots of snowmen together. I think 6 is a good number.
Yeah. Hello, welcome. I'm Queen Elsa of Arendelle. We've been having a wonderful day here, drinking lots of hot chocolate, building lots of snowmen. We would love if you could join us, but we're sending lots of warm hugs your way. Farewell, everyone.